Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making white chocolate party mix. In the video I made a half a batch, but I will have the full recipe listed below. You will need M&Ms, or I use peanut M&Ms, plain Cheerios, rice Chex, corn Chex, pretzels, salted peanuts, oil, and white chocolate chips. To begin, you will need a large bowl. You can add the ingredients in any order. I added the Cheerios, rice and corn Chex, pretzels, salted peanuts, and the peanut M&Ms. You will then stir to combined. Once the dry ingredients are combined, you'll need to melt the chocolate chips. Add the white chocolate chips to a microwave-safe bowl and add the oil. You will then microwave on high for 1 minute and then stir, and then for another minute. Once the chocolate chips are melted, you will pour over the dry ingredients and stir until evenly coated. You will then pour the mix onto a wax paper covered baking sheet and let dry for 10 to 15 minutes. This party mix makes a great holiday gift for friends, neighbors, or coworkers. Hope you enjoy!